Hi everyone, this is Anna from Mria Labs here, and today I will show you how you can import leads to Mria CRM. If you have multiple leads to create in your Mria CRM, it's generally easy to make it using the import option. You can do it from the two different places. Let me show you. So first, you can go to Settings, to the Data Administration section. You need to have admin rights for that. And here you see that you can select the import option and you can click from leads. Also, it is possible to import leads directly from the Leads tab. So go to Leads and click Import Leads here. Let's do this together. Mria CRM offers you a sample file that you can download to pre-fill it with the needed records. Please note that the sample file includes not only the default fields, but also the custom fields if they have been configured for the lead records. So you can download it, fill it in, and then upload it. I already have the configured file, so let me upload it here. Okay. Let's wait once it's uploaded. Once it's done, the next is to map fields. So here are the Mria CRM fields and here are the file column names. As you see, everything has been mapped correct here. So I just click Next. Then you need to map the relevant values. For example, if you have filled the lead statuses, you need to map them to the relevant records from your file. Here everything is correct on the lead source as well. For the lead score, I need to select the relevant record from Jira CRM where to map the numbers mentioned in file. And on this definite step, you can assign the leads to a specific person, or you can keep them unassigned, depending on your lead processing process. I will assign them to me. Click Next. Here you can review the details of your import summary, the number of rows. I have only 2 in my file, and the system asks you about the duplicate handling. So you can add all records, regardless if there are any duplicates, and you can add only new records if you know that there are potential duplicates that you don't want to replicate in Jira CRM. I will add all. Click Next. And here you will see the progress of import. You don't need to stare at this window during all the time. You can just click Continue in background and continue working in your Mria CRM until it informs you that the import has been complete with a smaller window. Since I didn't quit, now I can see the full information window that my import has been completed. You see the number of records, which coincides exactly with what has been in the file. And I can go to those new records in my Mria CRM. Here they are. You see how easy it is to import leads to Mria CRM. Find us on the Atlassian marketplace and give it a free trial during 30 days. See you. Bye.